Hello, welcome to Ludic Science. In this video I will show you a simple method to make clean and precise cuts on glass tubing. This video is sponsored by GLC PCB. GLC PCB is a company that makes excellent quality PCBs at an unbeatable price. You can order boards online in minutes. After registration, upload your Gerber files, select the PCB properties, select the payment method, and place your order. Best price and quality for all your PCB needs. The only tool you need to cut the glass tubes is the Moto tool with the diamond cutter. These discs can be expensive if you want the original brand. However, I have been using these Chinese cutters, which are pretty cheap. This kit costs about $3, and at least in this application they are very good. I have cutted several glass tubes with one of them without any problems. You also need to make this fixture. It's just a wooden base with these pieces of bent wire in the form of an M, and they are inserted in holes. I drilled several holes at different positions in order to adjust 4 different tube lengths. You will put your tube here. And the wire, I took it from paper clips. What we need to do is to put the glass tube in the pieces of wire, then take a heavy object and put it in the back of the tube so that it will not move, and then you take your Moto tool and put it in the position when you want to cut the tube, and then you will turn it manually. It is convenient that the height of this wire is shorter than the other one, so that your tube is inclined in this position. Otherwise, if it were inclined like this, it will move forward. You can finish your cut using sandpaper. Here's the result after 3 to 4 minutes sanding. And here's the other side, which has not been sanded. As you can see, is a pretty acceptable cut. The reason I became interested in cutting glass tubes is that I plan to make several Stirling engines. And as you know, making Stirling engines needs the use of glass tubes. Okay, that has been all for today. Thank you for visiting my channel and see you in the next video.